So I decided, let's try the grill. Never used it before, but hey, let's give it a shot. Turned on the pilot, turned on the gas, about to light it, and boom! In the shock of the moment, I didn't realize what had happened to me. Then I figured out I had burnt myself. At that time, all I could think about was the burn in my hand.
Did you get hot oil on it?
No, the gas just came fine. That's when the chefs came, and they were very comforting.
We'll give you 5 minutes off the clock. We'll give you the medical attention that you need. We are not cutting your clock, okay? Relax, okay? Can we get some medical attention for her, please?
Luckily, I got some medical attention right away. I was not going to give up. I knew it was a dish that I could complete even if I had 5 minutes on the clock.
Are you okay? Are you feeling okay?
Right.
Good,
So,
good.
So everybody has 5 minutes, you have 10. Do you want to go back?
Yeah, I do.
Do you want to go back?
Yes, I do. The one thing I remember Chef Ranveer telling me was, we want to see you till the end of the show.
We want you throughout the competition, okay? We just don't want you for these 10 minutes, all right? Then now you can leave the panic and see how this is done, all right?
Yes, I want to see myself till the end of the show. Let's do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get my game on.
All right, batch 2, we hope that you've thought about what you're going to cook because you've had enough time. Time for action. That is time for the masala level starts
Now!
I am a person, I never follow particular recipes. I didn't stick to one specific recipe. I mixed and matched my own spices and I made my go-in masala. My name's Megha Joshi. I've grown up in South Africa. I've lived there all my life after the age of 3. And I am a makeup artist and a hairstylist for celebrities at the moment in Mumbai. I am a vegetarian. I know we're going to have to work with seafood and non-veg and stuff, and I think that's going to be my downfall. I just hope they let me show them my veg variety of cuisines that I can make.
the green concoction.
Yep, greeny mustard.
Well, green means mint or coriander.
Coriander.
Coriander and mustard both go really well with shrimp. So I'm excited. Let's see if
So am
I'm
I.
as excited when I taste the food.
It's my first time, so I hope it's good.
It will be.
Thank you.
The go-on masala that I played with was sorpotel. And I did not really change it altogether because I'm a person who likes originality of a thing.
Sorpotel is the most beautiful masala because it is the perfect balance of spicy, sour, sweet, salty, and bitter. The perfect balance. Good luck.
Okay.
Cooking on a truck is very different from what you actually thought it would be like.
Make sure you cook the prawns through. You know, because we don't want raw. These are tiger prawns, and these take a little longer to cook than the smaller size prawns, you know.
Right.
So don't forget that.
Absolutely.
They
So
look-
that's what they've been marinating for about 10 minutes now.
Good,
8
and the
minutes.
vinegar will go in and cook them just a
and
little
there's
bit.
some feni in it as well.
Exciting. I can't wait to taste your dish.
Yeah, so I'm just letting them be for a while, let them marinate for another 2 minutes
Good.
till I properly figure out my plating.
Nice.
And then I'm gonna go stir fry this.
Nice. I won't take away any more of your time. Great. Good luck. Good luck.
Thanks, Tagore.
Girls, the first batch is almost done. They have 5 minutes left to cook, and you have 5 minutes left to get on that truck. And then your 20 minutes are going to start. Girls, that's it. You had your chance and you were awesome. But this is the last 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Please step away from your stations.
So I've done a prawn vindaloo, grilled prawn with a nice sauce on the side, a creamy coconut rice with some mustard seeds that echo the flavor of the prawn vindaloo, and a fresh Goan salad on the side for the judges on this very hot day. Thanks.
This is what my final plate looks like. It's some apples marinated with blacho masala, and some oyster cooked in egg, and some cheese and mushroom with marinated, again, oyster marinated in blacho. And I'm out of here with no more injuries for today.
Your masala task has gone very well. You've completed your masalas in your time limit. We're ready to see you on those trucks, and your time starts now.
I was in the second batch and we had the disadvantage of having lesser time to do the task. But on the other hand, I knew that, again, that stress is not really helping me here. So rather than wasting time thinking about the time that I don't have, I should think about the time that I have and utilize it.
While those girls were getting done at the truck, I had all that time to myself to think, what can I create in 20 minutes?
I chose the oyster over the prawn because it was something new. It's something I haven't had before, seen before. Forget trying to chuck an oyster myself. My name is Tanisha. I'm 23 from Shillong.
But despite my love for food, one of my true passions is the world of cocktails and bartending. I love bringing my two worlds, food and cocktails, to life with a great story. I am also a very visual person. I love sharing my ideas and letting people tell me what they think of it. I'm so excited to see where we get to go and see what Femme Foodies has in store for me.
I am trying to make a spicy mango pineapple quinoa salad, which will go with my oyster.
So because I was first to finish, I had to present my dish to the judges first.